what's going on, y'all? It's 9 in the morning on a work day. Gonna be putting back the dash together and running the sub harness through right away right now, since I gotta take the dash out already also. And might as well, I'm gonna run the boost solenoid harness and everything also too. Just literally just run it right through. So yeah, let's get it. So this used to be outside of the engine bay. I pulled these inside. These this one you don't need. This is the one for the sub harness for the engine harness. I'm gonna run it from here, and then I'm gonna lay it down across over there because I gotta get connected to the harness over there when I connect everything. But yeah, so now it's inside. No more wires outside, and I just got the heater core in already. So now we're gonna start putting in the heater core and the panels and stuff. And yeah, we should be good now. Finally get to put all of this back in. Alright, so the heater core, everything is on. I ran the boost solenoid wire through. I ran the sub harness wires right here. You don't need this one. This is for automatic trans. So we have a tuck harness. It comes with two. They're separated, so the sub harness is going to go all the way to that side to where the ECU is at, because that's where the engine harness is going to go through. So we're done with that. Now just time to put the dash up and then start putting everything else back together, pull the panels and everything. And yeah, little by little we get in there. What up guys, what's going on? I know it's been a minute. A lot has been going on. It's been my daughter's birthday. My wife and daughter and her moms and everybody went to the Dominican Republic. I'm still here. I leave in a week. Well, 5 days. On Friday I leave. Well, actually Saturday morning. It's Monday right now, but it's been a lot going on. Just wanted to update you guys. So the car's back together, not back together as in everything's back together, but you guys can see it's been a while, but hood is on. Still have to align it, but for the most part, you know, hood is on. I don't know if I remember. Yeah, I'm pretty sure you guys seen the brake bolts and stuff. I still have to go get the banjo bolts and stuff like that, but I'm not too worried about that because everything is not final. Everything is not like completely done yet. We're supposed to go build the motor yesterday, but some stuff happened, so we couldn't build it. So hopefully tomorrow we end up building the motor tomorrow, which I'm super excited. I'm bringing the block, the head, cams, everything. So we're gonna try to get everything situated tomorrow or within this week. I leave to DR, like I said, on Friday, so I'm gonna leave the block and everything at my builder Spanky's house, and then if he has to, you know, do the head and stuff while I'm not there, I could just leave him the camera. He could record it and all that stuff, because I know you guys want to see that. But the interior of the car is finally put together. I know there's some wires here that there's like 2-3 wires that I think go to the alarm. I'm pretty sure they go to the alarm. I don't think they're anything major. They're like just open wires, like they're just cut wires. So I want to say they're for the alarm, because everything else is fine, and it has regular like electrical tape, which, you know, the car doesn't come with regular electrical tape. It comes like that weird texture. Well, it comes like it comes with its own cover. So I'm pretty sure that's what it is. It's for that, but we'll see, you know, when everything is on. But here you go, guys. Boom. Looks like the dash was never out. So dash is back in. Put the panels back in. Everything is nice and tucked, so now you can't see anything. This is one of the wires that I was telling you guys about. See, it's like wrapped in electrical tape, and I'm pretty sure I put this color tape on it so I can remember this is the ones that don't have anything connected to them. So I just gotta tuck that back out. Let me just tuck that out of the way real quick. Yeah, so just like that, tuck that out of the way, and yeah, nothing is there. Don't mind the carpet. Obviously I gotta clean the carpet. This car is a mess, but yeah, everything is back. That's my speaker wire and stuff, you know, obviously wiring and stuff. I still have to put this front piece on, but I'm gonna put that on when the shifters, and I can actually put it in right now. I might just put it in right now just so the car can actually look a little completed. But yeah, I mean, everything is on. Like the dash is on. It's not moving. This right here, thank God, like people put this back, take these off, and then they just start rattling. No, mine is perfectly fine, which is good. But yeah, I have like, obviously that's all the wiring stuff in the back. But everything is back on the car the way it's supposed to be. I have a rack and pinion coming in tomorrow, so I'm gonna Thursday morning. I'm gonna help my dad as much as I can. In the morning, I have to go to work, literally in the morning, and then when I come out, I have to go get a haircut for Friday. My dad's he's a beast with rack and pinion, so he might just handle that while I'm at work. I'm pretty sure he's just gonna knock it out while I'm at work, which will save me a lot of time because I don't have to, you know, work on the car in the morning and then come out of work and then work on it and then try to get a haircut and then just the car be in pieces. So he's gonna handle that for me, which is awesome. The stuff is my parts are already getting powder coated, which should be done soon. Can't wait to show you guys that. Like I said, the motor's gonna get built. I'm gonna drop in the fuel pump. I don't think I'm gonna have enough time this week. I have to get a hose. I gotta go to my dad's job. They carry like a bunch of different size hoses, so I'm gonna probably bring the fuel pump there and measure the size that I need for the fuel pump and for the gas tank little cap. You know, you put it on the top part and the fuel pump, and I have to gotta get a piece like that. But you gotta get the right piece, and I don't have that now, so I don't want to take the fuel pump and stuff out, and then there's no, you know, I don't have the right hose, and then the gas runners, all that stuff is on the car, which is fine. But it's just little stuff here and there. But removing everything is gone. It's gonna go quick. Once the motor is in the car, though, that's like the main part. That's like the main crucial part of the build, which is putting the swap back in. I know I haven't got time to open up the trans, which is hard again because I don't be having enough time when I get out of work. It's already like 6:37, so I don't be having all the light. Like right now, it's like 6:37. Excuse me. And light is already kind of getting dark. It looks bright on the camera, but it's getting dark already. So yeah, but for the most part, that's done already. And I have a whole bunch of overspray on the hood that I forgot, and I didn't think I was gonna get overspray because it was in the corner. But listen to this. So I have the clay bar sponge, which I'm going to use. I used the regular clay bar on the hood and it fixed it, but I'm just going to pass it. I'm not sure if I'm going to do it today or what, but I'm going to pass the clay bar sponge on the whole car to take off some of the overspray. I'm not too concerned about it because the car's going to get a cut and buff polish and ceramic coated later on, so I'm not too concerned about that. But just wanted to give you guys like an update on what's going on with the car. A lot of it has been going on. Yeah, I'm basically in the house alone, so I try to do as much of stuff. I'm trying to get stuff done now, like after work and stuff. Today's Monday, so today I don't really have much to do because I was gonna do a couple things, but I forgot I don't have that hose, and yeah, so I'm gonna wait for my dad to bring me that hose. Well, I gotta go to his job with the pump and stuff. Yeah, so these wiring and stuff is gonna get fixed. I should probably just try to fix it now. I just do these stuff, the headlight and stuff, harness in there. This is for the corner light, and I got the LED in there because when it rains, I don't want it to get, you know, wet. I mean, this should be fine with getting damage and stuff, but I'm actually gonna just zip tie the boost cylinder wire now to the existing wires that are here right now. That way, I don't have no issues with it rubbing or anything like that. All right, so I just zip tied it down. This is the headlight harness. Obviously, it goes through here. Boost cylinder is there. So I zip tied it here and all down here also. You guys can see. I'm not gonna leave it like this. I'm gonna get the clamps that basically like I don't know explain. It has like a little rubber bushing, but it has two screws where you could just bolt it onto the body. So I'm gonna buy a couple of those so I can get those and put them onto where the wiring's at, and then bolt it up. So the headlight harness and the boost cylinder wire will be bolted up and it won't move. But for the most part, everything is zip tied down right now. And I think that's about it for today. I'm thinking about passing this stuff on the car, but I don't know, I'm kind of tired. But for the most part, that's good. I think I'm good. Yeah, guys, so that's gonna do it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoy this chill vlog. Just stay tuned for the motor being built. I'm gonna do a whole
build video on that, show you guys step by step of everything that gets done, you know, build a motor and all that. And I apologize for the lack of content, but hey, I'm a father, I work, I don't do this full time, I do this just for fun, entertain everybody. I enjoy making vlogs, editing, stuff like that. And yeah, so have more content coming. This motor is going to get built. Once that gets built, then we're going to tune this, open up the trans before anything, make sure the trans is good, put the trans together, throw the swap in with the new powder coated parts, and we're going to go from there. Once that gets done, everything else is literally easy. The wiring on the gauges is going to be pretty easy. What I'm going to do is I'm going to run the I forgot what it's called, but it's a fuse with a wire that replaces the existing fuse, and then you put the fuse on top of that, and then you can wire your power from your gauge to that fuse with the wire. And I'm just going to ground off the wire onto the somewhere with the underneath the dashboard where it's like nothing but ground. So I'm going to do that for the two sensors. I'm going to wire up my wideband the way it was before. The wiring on the wideband has been wired up to the radio, ground and power. It was very perfectly fine, so I'm going to run it back like that. I just pulled it all out because the radio I have is not good. But I'm going to use when I order a new radio and harness, I'm going to do it the same exact way. And then the other two, I'll just run the same way I'm going to run the booster solenoid with the fuse that I showed you guys before in the previous vlog, which I don't know why nobody watched it. I'm pretty sure it's because doesn't have that catchy title, but it's fine. But yeah, I'm gonna use those aside. So I'm gonna use 3 of those: one for the boost solenoid, one for the oil pressure, and for the E85 sensor that I'm gonna be running. So but yeah, that's about it, guys. Just want to keep you guys updated, let you guys know what's going on. I appreciate you guys watching. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, turn on your post notifications to be notified when I upload. Remember, guys, go to enjoy. Peace out.